Um, yes, on this lesson, I will just be showing you how to set up your business hours. Take, for example, if you want people to, book an appointment with you and you don't want to double book, you understand? So you can actually set it here. Okay, so what you need to do is just come under product and services. You will see business hour there. Okay, so you just want to click on business hours and you will come here. So at the moment is inactive because on my own profile I don't use booking at the moment. I might put it on in future, but at the moment it's not on. So what you want to do is you're going to come here and click on active. Okay, so if you click on active, okay, then you want to choose the time, the date and the time. Okay, so when you click on active, okay, first and foremost, all the name and the this will be preloaded. Remember from our vcard that we fill in all our profiles, so this will be preloaded. So you want to come under business hours, you want to activate it. Okay, just click on the drop down, and if you don't want to have it anymore on your profile, you just have to come back here and just click inactive. Okay, so let's just do the active for the purpose of this lesson. Then you want to go on Sunday, Monday, and all that. So you want to click on open at. So you want to put your own time there. Okay, what is applicable? Open at 9 a.m. Okay, so you want to go here and just click on 9 a.m. Then you want to put close. Maybe you close at 5 or 6, depending on what you do. Okay, you want to put 6 p.m. Okay, and just click on 6 p.m. Then you want to toggle this on. So you want to do the same thing from Monday to Friday. Okay, so as soon as that is done, okay, so just let me do that for Monday. You can tell that it overpopulates everything. Okay, so all what you need to do is just to you know toggle it on. Okay, and check if it is 6 p.m. or you understand. So if you have different closing date, you can as well adjust it. Take for example, if your Saturday is, if you close, just click on close. You will see close here. All right. And if you do half an hour, maybe half a day, you can click on maybe 2 p.m. or whatever the time. So that is okay. And just make sure you toggle everything on and adjust accordingly. Then you want to click on save. All right. So if you want to do the appointment, okay, so the appointment at the moment is inactive. So but if you want people to book appointments with you, take for example, if you are into salon, barbing salon, plumbing, all these works that people do, people have to call you to book appointments. So these aspects will be useful for you. So what you want to do first is to toggle it on, make sure it's on active. So you can put appointments, obviously. That is what this one is meant for. Then interval hour, you can put every 1 hour. Okay, maximum slot one. Okay, obviously you want to just attend to one person at a time. Then if you want to approve manually, that is whenever people book the appointment, you might need to come to approve it manually. You just leave it on manual. But if you want it to approve automatically, so just change this to automatic. Then make sure you click on save. All right, I'm not going to save it because like I said, I don't use this on my profile because it's not really, I will still use it in future, but at the moment I'm not using it. Okay, so but this will be useful if you are providing um services. Okay, so you might need to make sure you fill this accordingly. All right, so see you in the next lesson.